Familiarize yourself with the 2022 Ram 1500. Top features include cruise control, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.